Now I have to put this on my face, and it's little pom-poms with slime on them. It's just the pom-poms.
It's like a face mask.
It's not real slime because we don't have the thing that makes it like slime yet.
Oh.
I'll do that later. Let me just get this first. She's annoying. But what you are? Now I have to do it.
Oh my gosh. Guys, subscribe for Juju. Subscribe.
For me?
Subscribe.
Oh, wait, my face is done.
This is so sad.
Uh-huh.
This might give you pimples.
Pimples? Oh, wait, but that wasn't in the sign-up sheet.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Will it give me pimples?
I don't know. I don't think so. No.
She's gonna give me pimples on my arms.
No, it's not.
Don't give me pimples, please. Don't give
It's not gonna give you pimples.
Fine. But the last thing is we have to put this on the wall of hands.
Okay, do it.
So in remembrance of what happened today.
Yes. Remember.
Oh, I want to try.
To remember the day this happened.
I want to try. And paint it
And that.
on the wall of hands. I'm going to try. Any orange? Just ruined. Who did that?
Lucia.
See how clean my foot. See how clean my foot.
I can't do with this.
Well, then go wash your hands and then clean my foot.
No, you can wash it.
You go wash your hands and then clean my foot. No. Yes.
It's not gonna stick.
No, it's supposed to be like this.
Oh, I get it. That looks cool.
I like doing wall stuff. There. Beautiful. Now, let me just... Let me turn this into a heart here. So it kind of makes sense. That's
Oh my goodness, dude, your leg.
okay, so now
Yeah, her leg really got blue.
okay.
Got blue, got
How
blue,
messy is
got
my
blue.
face?
Can I see it? Guys, it's pretty messy. You can clean it.
Okay, take me to the nearest sink.
Okay.
Get that out of your mouth. You have the phone in your mouth.
The nearest sink is right there. Just stand in for ya. Guys, hopefully I don't want to drop it.
Worst day in my life. You know, if your mom knew this, I would be in big trouble. Do you have any face cleaner, not some laundry formula?
No, that has been in the whole time. So weird. Alright, so now we're gonna do.
Hey, Ellie, go get me some soap from inside that can work on my face.
Okay.
You know, I'm just going inside.
Okay. So
Do you have paint on your?
no, I don't. Juju pivoted.
No, Juju, you can't come in with that, sweetie. You have paint all over you.
Oh, come on.
You guys gotta wash that off.
Okay, so I'm going to grab some soap. I don't think they really need it. So I don't know if I should get it because I think Juju got it all off. So I don't know if they really need it. Alright, so I guess I'll just do it. I'm going to bring them soap. Okay, so now I have some soap, as you can see. Oh, Max. You're so cute. Okay, so I have some soap. Here's some soap.
Thank you. I meant hand soap, not dish.
This is hand soap.
I'm not a dish.
I know.
Go
but
get
it's hand soap.
go get soap from the bathroom.
Dish soap. Oh yeah, it's a dish
That's
soap.
dish soap. Go get soap from the bathroom.
Wait, guys, I grabbed the wrong one. Even though it's soap. I use it all the time to clean my hands, and it's fine. But let me see. I always clean my hands with these.
Yes, but I'm doing my face.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No, guys. Juju. Wow. Okay, guys. So, okay, we're gonna see you on the next vlog.
Ellie, how do I get this off?
Part 2. Goodbye, everybody. Last face of Juju.